People world, I'm back, and today is probably the last Blizzard update before we get to see Edward and Milo and Davey and everybody else. But yeah, so it has been very bad. As you can see, my channel has like a lot of like Blizzard, preparing for Blizzard update number 2. This will be Blizzard update number 3, guys. Guys, oh my god, I've been so worried. Thank you to KDogORD. He's been updating me with the weather, and he's been telling me if like what I should do, you know, all that stuff. So shout out KDogORD, go subscribe. Link in the description. No, actually I won't leave the link in the description. Go to my shout out KDogORD. Go to my winner of the giveaway video, and his link will be in the description there. Okay? Okay. So here is, we're walking to the window. Okay, now it'll be way too dark to show you. As you can see, oh, it's not that really dark. As you can see, there's a lot of snow. That is a foot from the bottom of that to the top of that. That's a foot. So we've accumulated a foot, and that's a lot of snow, guys. Stay safe when you're driving, guys. I'm doing everything I can. It's really cold. Like, I'm wearing some coats, you know. I'm chilling in my bed and doing stuff, like trying to stay warm, you know. Get the groove and stuff. So, yeah. And, so, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is also the set where we filmed Pipsqueak house tour, by the way. So, that would be nice. Yeah, wow, that is a lot of snow. So guys, yeah. Anyways, this has been a lot of snow. We are really struggling here. Well, we're not struggling. It's just hard to, like, you know, if you want to drive, it'll be hard and stuff. You'll struggle driving. Anyway, Pipsqueak out. Please subscribe.